Welcome back, Custom Grains fans. On today's episode, it's going to be a two-part series. The first part, this is a product I've never made before. So I'm using this epoxy mold cross form from Crafted Elements, but it's not going to be a cross. I'm just simply using it for a form because it's skinny enough for my project. So I'm really interested to see how this turns out. Two-tone Total Boat pigment color is used, so the red and the black, and I'm really interested to see if you guys can guess what I'm going to be making. I'm actually going to be up in the stakes. One of my buddies of mine, we're going to make one for you if you can guess what it is. So comment your guess in the comment section below, and if you comment correctly, you'll win one of these. So this is just the first part. Stay tuned for the second part. Have a wonderful day, everyone.